You're the one who walked into someone's home uninvited at 2 a.m. This is the kind of situation that makes you seriously question what some people think probable cause actually means. So let me get this straight, the officer goes to a scene, doesn't find anyone there, then notices some paperwork in a car with an address on it, and decides that gives him the green light to play detective and go house hunting in the middle of the night? That's not policing. That's guesswork with a badge. And yes, technically, he knocked. But nobody answered. And somehow, in his mind, that translated to, well, I guess I'll just let myself in. At that hour, any normal person would assume a break-in. Nobody wakes up at 2 a.m. expecting a cop to be standing inside their house unless something has gone terribly wrong. Once again, the Fourth Amendment is screaming its lungs out here. The law is very clear on this. Unless there is an emergency or clear consent, a home is off limits. Period. Even probable cause does not magically give you permission to cross that line just because you're curious. What makes this even more unsettling is that the officer genuinely believed he was doing the right thing. And that tells you a lot about how blurred the boundaries of authority have become. Just imagine being half asleep, hearing footsteps on your floor, heart racing, thinking someone broke in, only to realize it's a cop who decided to invite himself inside. If that happened to me, I'd assume I was about to get robbed too. So now the question becomes, I felt like it is not a legal justification. Do you think this officer should face real consequences for this? Or do you think this will quietly get swept under the rug like so many other cases? Let me know what you think as we dive in and watch this unfold. Now, the second case had me shaking my head for a completely different reason. Judge Fleischer was absolutely not playing around. The moment that defendant said, "I don't care," it was over. Boom. Ankle monitor secured, like a piece of jewelry she definitely didn't ask for. You could see it written all over her face, she's tired of rules, and the judge is tired of excuses. The second alcohol came up, you just knew this wasn't her first run-in with the system. And honestly, that's what I respect about Judge Fleischer. He doesn't sugarcoat anything. He doesn't waste time. He doesn't play games. He gets straight to the point and makes it crystal clear where the line is. He runs his courtroom like someone who's seen every excuse, every story, every trick in the book, probably because he has. And a lot of people don't realize this, but even one harmless sip of alcohol can be enough to violate court conditions and land you in a jail cell overnight. It sounds harsh, but that's exactly what accountability looks like. It really does make you wonder though, do some people actually need real consequences before they finally change? Or are they just addicted to chaos and bad decisions? Let me know what you guys think about Judge Fleischer as well. Some people say he's too soft, others say he's too strict, but personally, I enjoy watching how he handles his courtroom. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.